Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new Shopify customers to Salesforce as new contacts? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Shopify account. Next, set up the connection with your Salesforce account. Once you have your accounts connected, click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of two steps. The first step will trigger when there is a new customer in Shopify. The second step will automatically add a new contact in Salesforce with details from the new Shopify customer. I will demonstrate how this sync works by creating a few new customers in Shopify. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs data from Shopify to Salesforce. As you can see here, the new Shopify customers successfully synced over to Salesforce as new contacts. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.